Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
To open a workbook, you must first know where the workbook you want to open is located. Once you know where the file is located, you open it using the Open dialog box. You can access this dialog box by clicking the File tab within the ribbon and then clicking the Open command in the Backstage view. In the Open dialog box that appears, navigate to the location of the file that you want to open. You should see an icon for the file with the document file's name within the Files and Folders shown in the Open dialog box. To open a file from the selected location, click the icon for the file that you want to open, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternately, you could also just double-click the icon of the file that's shown within the Open dialog box in order to open the file. You can also use the Open dialog box to simultaneously open multiple workbooks from the same location. To do this, first open the Open dialog box, but this time when selecting the files from the listing shown in the Open dialog box, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click on each file that you want to open if they are non-adjacent or not next to each other within the window. Now, if the files are adjacent or next to each other within this window, then you can click on the first file, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard instead of Control, and then click on the last file in the list. Everything in between the two files will be selected. Once you have made your file selection, release any keyboard keys that you're holding down, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Doing this will open all of the highlighted or selected documents. Now also note, if you are simply trying to open a recently accessed workbook, then you may be able to simply click the File tab within the ribbon and then click the Recent command. You can then click on the name of the recently opened files that appears in the list to the right of the command panel to open them.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.